Did you know that over 80% of marketers say using AI tools like Jasper has significantly improved their content creation process? By the end of this masterclass, you'll be equipped with the skills to harness the power of Jasper AI to dominate YouTube and take your content to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, Jasper AI can help you overcome the hurdles of creating engaging video scripts and ideas consistently. In this masterclass, I'll show you exactly how to use Jasper AI to streamline your content creation process, increase your productivity, and ultimately grow your channel. When it comes to creating content for YouTube, most creators struggle with generating engaging video scripts and ideas on a consistent basis. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, trying to come up with something original and captivating, only to end up feeling frustrated and uninspired. The pressure to constantly produce high-quality content can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in the cycle of writer's block and burnout. Without a clear direction, you may find yourself scrambling to come up with ideas, only to end up with a vague concept that lacks depth and substance. This can lead to a decrease in engagement, lower view counts, and ultimately a stagnant channel. More often than not, YouTubers rely on their own creativity and ideation skills to come up with video concepts, which can be exhausting and limiting. The reality is, generating original ideas that resonate with your audience is a daunting task, especially when you're trying to cater to their ever-changing interests and preferences. It's no wonder many creators feel like they're stuck in a creative rut, unable to break free from the same old ideas and formats. Furthermore, the pressure to keep up with the latest trends and algorithm changes can be suffocating, making it even harder to create content that stands out from the crowd. But what if I told you there's a better way to create content for YouTube? What if you had a reliable tool that could help you generate engaging video scripts and ideas on demand? A tool that could help you stay ahead of the curve, save time, and increase your productivity? That tool is Jasper AI, and it's revolutionizing the way creators approach content creation. The struggles of creating content for YouTube are real, but with Jasper AI, you can break free from the limitations of traditional content creation. Jasper AI is a game changer, and I'm excited to dive deeper into its features and demonstrate how it can transform your content creation process. Jasper AI is a cutting-edge language generation tool that's specifically designed to help creators like you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. With Jasper AI, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a never-ending stream of fresh and engaging ideas. Its advanced algorithms can generate script outlines, develop video concepts, and even assist with SEO optimization. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to explore them. Let's take a closer look at some of Jasper AI's most impressive features. First, its script writing capabilities are unparalleled. With Jasper AI, you can generate fully-fledged script outlines in a matter of minutes, complete with engaging titles, hook-style intros, and compelling CTAs. But that's not all. Jasper AI can also help you develop video concepts that resonate with your audience, saving you hours of brainstorming and research. Another major advantage of Jasper AI is its ability to optimize your content for SEO. With its advanced keyword research capabilities, you can ensure that your videos rank higher in search results, drive more traffic to your channel, and increase your visibility. Jasper AI is a Swiss Army knife for content creators, and it's an absolute game changer for anyone looking to dominate YouTube. In a minute, I'll be doing a live demonstration of Jasper AI in action, showing you just how quickly and effectively it can generate a compelling YouTube script. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize just how much of a difference Jasper AI can make in the content creation process. With Jasper AI, you can focus on what matters most, creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, rather than getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty details of script writing and research. Time and time again, creators who've incorporated Jasper AI into their workflow have reported a significant increase in productivity, engagement, and overall channel growth. By automating the more mundane tasks of content creation, Jasper AI gives you the freedom to focus on the creative aspects of your craft, allowing you to produce higher quality content more consistently. One of the biggest advantages of Jasper AI is its ability to help you stay ahead of the curve. With its advanced language generation capabilities, you can stay on top of the latest trends and algorithm changes without having to constantly research and adapt. This means you can focus on creating content that resonates with your audience, rather than getting bogged down in the ever-changing world of YouTube. Now, let's take a look at how Jasper AI can help you generate a compelling YouTube script in a matter of minutes. In this live demonstration, I'll show you just how easy it is to use Jasper AI to develop a script outline, complete with engaging titles, hook-style intros, and compelling CTAs. Get ready to see Jasper AI in action. Jasper AI live demonstration. As you can see, Jasper AI makes it incredibly easy to generate high-quality script outlines in a matter of minutes. With its advanced language generation capabilities, you can focus on refining your ideas rather than starting from scratch. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to explore them with you. By now, you've seen firsthand just how powerful Jasper AI can be in transforming your content creation process. By leveraging its advanced features, you can streamline your workflow, increase your productivity, and ultimately dominate YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, Jasper AI is the ultimate tool for taking your channel to the next level. In conclusion, Jasper AI is a game changer for content creators. Its advanced language generation capabilities, SEO optimization features, and script writing tools make it the ultimate solution for dominating YouTube. By incorporating Jasper AI into your workflow, you can focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, rather than getting bogged down in the more mundane tasks of script writing and research. Thanks for watching this Jasper AI Masterclass. If you have any thoughts on Jasper AI, or just want to share your own experiences with AI tools, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out another video on content creation strategies or AI tools, and I'll catch you in the next one.